everyone, it's Heather here with Best Laid Plans, and I hope you are ready for a Star Wars themed May the 4th spread in my classic vertical planner. I am super excited. I have been planning this spread ever since I got this amazing kit from DaniFaithDesigns. I will leave her Etsy shop and her site where you can purchase kits like these in the description box, but she made this great kit, and it's got Princess Leia, it's got the droids and the Death Star, and I love the BB-8s. I may save the BB-8 stickers for my classic skinny and my mini dashboard planners, because I'm going to try and use the whole kit between the three of them. But for this video, we're just going to be focusing on my main spread for this week. And of course, this is also Mother's Day week, so Sunday will be Mother's Day. So it'll have to do a little double duty. I have gone for a orange and blue and kind of like fiery aesthetic. And so I have these from the Gilded Ink paper pad. This is from Michaels. And I've gone ahead and I've punched them with my Happy Planner Weekly box punch. So I've been kind of playing around with where I want to put them, because I'm going to be putting on the washi tape after I place them down. So I think I'm going to have them like this and just have them raised up here, because the washi tape is going to go down there. So I'm going to go ahead and take my glue stick and place these down, and then I'm going to come back and we'll start adding washi tape, stickers, and other elements. Okay, so I did decide after kind of laying everything down that I wasn't going to use as many of these as I had planned, just because I needed to have a little more planning space on Wednesday. I have a lot going on Wednesday and Saturday, so I need to have that space. I also will have some chores and things on Tuesday and Friday. So I just want to make sure I have enough space to put my checklist boxes and other functional pieces, as well as the decorative elements. So I did take a few out, but I'll be able to use them in my other planner. So waste not, want not. So now I have this starry galaxy washi tape, and I'm pretty sure this was from Michaels from Recollections, and I am going to use it along the bottom and the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we will get to placing our stickers and making our plans. So now the washi tape with the galaxy print is down where I wanted to have it, covering certain areas, and I'm going to go ahead now and start adding stickers. Normally I would start with my larger big box kind of stickers, which are these, but I actually want to go ahead and put in some of my checklist boxes where they're supposed to go first, because I have quite a lot of them for next week. Even if I have to write on some of them with a dark pen. So I'm going to use these ones, just like they're the right color blue. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one here. And these are more size for Erin Condren. I may have mentioned that in my haul video for Danny Faith. Many sticker makers make the size for Erin Condren. So just know you may need to add washi tape or other things. I just like to put header boxes above, and I'll take some of the other header boxes and kind of layer them. So I'm going to take this here. So there is Thursday. And then I'm going to leave white space in these because I have a lot of writing to do. But I did want to go ahead and put my trackers for this week for exercise. So I'm going to use this darker color one, and that is going to go over here. And now I'm going to do some checklists. So from this sheet of icons, and if you've seen any of my plan with me's, you know I'm a highly decorative planner and I do not like my handwriting, so we love some icons. And I'm going to use these for the two cleans here, and just kind of get everything ready. Basically gonna use these for anything that I don't have an icon from this kit, so like vacuuming, that kind of thing. On Monday, I want to go ahead and take one of these little blocks. And I'm going to add a paw print here because that is when Sherman needs to have his regular medicine. So I do think I feel comfortable now adding the larger stickers. So we have quite a few of them. I think I'm going to save the BB-8 one and focus on R2 and of course Leia. And I'm going to take Leia and I'm going to go ahead and put her on Mother's Day because, you know, she's a mom. Kylo Ren, it's canon. So we'll put her here. And then I'm going to add this really nice gradient blue underneath her, and I'll find my Mother's Day sticker and put it on top of that. So we're going to fill in that space. And I kind of like having like Rebels over here, and we'll do the dark side over here. So I'm going to put my Death Star . You know what I love about, I just love the quality of her stickers. I was able to peel that off no problem. So shout out again to Danny Faith for that. So I'm going to do R2, I think, right here. And I am just going to layer a little bit. And I'm going to save these BB-8 ones for another planner. These are R2, but they're like in strips, so I need to figure out how I'm going to place them. All right, I think it's definitely coming together. I'm gonna add some more checklist box stickers and really kind of round everything out. And I think I'll put some more icon stickers on Friday. That's typically when I will do some meal planning. I just realized that this is my meal planning sticker. And this is my dishwasher. I like to watch opera on Sunday, and I'm not sure what the opera is going to be this Sunday, but I definitely want to include that here. Did you know that Star Wars is sometimes described as a space opera? That is a sort of its genre. And I love that because honestly, it could be an opera. Like they just have to sing. I'm a big Star Wars fan. I love Star Wars. I'm putting this little alarm clock because I actually have a appointment on Wednesday. I have some stuff coming. I have a person coming. I have a person coming to fix my disposal. Not very exciting, but I do need to remember that it is going to happen. And then I have a potential cash withdrawal I need to make on Saturday, and a special appointment in the afternoon. Okay, so the only thing now that I'm actually missing from this spread is in fact my reading, which will go over here. So I'm gonna look for a little book icon for right here, and then I'm gonna look for my Mother's Day, and then I will be finished with my spread. So here is the final product. I am actually really happy with how well the colors are all going together. I was a little worried about that, but I really love how this turned out and how much room there is going to be for me to write things. And I love that it is Star Wars themed. I did add some of the journal doodle sticker book stickers as well as the Mother's Day sticker, but I think that they are neutral and they fit right in. And now I'm super, super excited to get started on this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. May the 4th be with you.